If you're over 50 and you're interested in building a life that fits you, your family, and your faith, then this is the channel for you. When you are over 50 and you have degrees, certificates, diplomas, life experiences, so many different things that you could talk about, and so many different things that you can actually revert to, it's hard to decide. So, yeah, in my last video, I was so confused. I was lost. But I've got the answer, and it might help you too. Hi, I'm Tanya Marie. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Many women are choosing a fresh start after major life changes like health challenges, surgeries like myself, career changes like myself, divorce, becoming an empty nesters. People are really thinking about what they want to do next. And here are the reasons why I believe that online income fits us better. Online income creates opportunities to work from home. You don't have to worry about going out. You're not worrying about clocking in, being late, being on time, traffic, none of that. You're at home. You're creating your income from home. Traditional jobs don't always have flexibility. They just don't. You want to call in and take your kid to the doctor, or even go to the doctor yourself. The flexibility is just not there for you. Digital income always makes a way for us to move at your own pace. There's no production. There is no quota. There is none of the things that we are hustling and bustling to try to do. You are at home and you can protect your health and your energy at the same time that you're taking your time creating your content or creating your product to sell online. The internet offers multiple streams of income: content creation, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Starting fresh after 50 is not about chasing trends, it's about building a life that fits you. And the Lord has already answered. Online businesses are rising to the top these days. It is 2026, and not too many people our age is out working a job or starting new businesses. Women my age are resorting to online sales because it's easier, it's more convenient. You're at home. If you've got grandkids or if you have kids that need your attention, then you're able to give it to them. Just like this little clip right here, I'm going to show you really quick what my grandbaby did for me. It was just a beautiful moment where he stepped in the room and I couldn't do nothing but laugh. Watch this. And with my online store, you're making me laugh, DJ. See how cute and adorable that was? He's right here in the room with me. So this is the thing that I love so much about being online. I'm not on the truck traveling 48 states. I'm not away from home. I did let go of the real estate. I let go of the real estate completely. I'm going to stick with the marketing because marketing is going to help with my online business. I figure, why not just embrace where I am? Why not just embrace it? And to you, for all of you who are trying to figure it out, who were lost like I was and trying to figure out which way you're going and what are you going to do with yourself, starting over is not easy. But I promise you, the more you can think about what it is you want to do, the more your answers will come to you. Just sit down and pray and talk to the Lord and think hard. What is it that you want to do with yourself? Well, I'm going to show you in the next couple of videos how to have your online store, how to have print on demand products, how to have digital products. You can sell your own products. And this store is completely free with no upfront cost. I ordered my shirt. When I tell you I love the quality of the shirt, I love the quality of the print, and I'm excited more than anything to get my online store up and running. So I encourage you today to start your YouTube channel, start your online store, go ahead and get your social medias linked, put everything where it needs to be, top tier, because we're in a season now. It's really best to be at home. Than it is to be anywhere else doing anything else. So I do have something else planned. I do have something else planned, but it's more so planned for my husband than it is for me. I'll be there because I'll be the one who is licensed to I don't want to talk too much. But anyways, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share this video, like this video, and comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. God bless.